Greetings, Vidroney Mike here. Welcome to Vidroney Mike's Airline. During today's flight, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt in case we experience unexpected rough air. Please enjoy your flight with Vidroney Mike. For today's flight, we're going to try something a little different. We're going to try to land inside the fence at a prison. Here we go. Oh, there's the first fence. Let's try slipping behind this light pole. Oh, this second fence, oh my gosh, it's a little windy. Let's bring her down right on that side there. We're not going to quite land. Flying drones are safer drones. You be sure if you ever try this at home, make sure the prison you stop by is one just like this one here. That's been closed for a long time. Or you might not just be able to come out here and fly again. Looks like they've been tearing some of the old places down these days. Looks like one of the old dormitories or cell blocks or something here. Man, is that place a mess. I've been tearing a couple of these old buildings down out in here. Oh, there went one of them birds, man. We're going to return this on home here. Take a look inside here, see what they left for us. Man, I didn't think that was going to be in there. The toilet and the sink. They didn't leave their post, that's for sure. Battery's down about 18%. I think we're at about 300 feet to turn home here today. Oh, that's right. That little landing strip's out of here. I better drop on back in.